I'm sure you've heard the news. Air conditioners are basically wizards of the modern age. Let's demystify their magic. Air conditioners work using basic principles of thermodynamics and heat transfer. Think of heat as a bunch of excited molecules. The AC's job is to move that heat from inside your house to the outside. It starts with a refrigerant, a special fluid that absorbs heat as it evaporates. Inside your AC unit, the refrigerant evaporates, sucking up heat from the indoor air. This cools the air inside. Then the refrigerant is pumped outside to a condenser, where it releases the absorbed heat and turns back into a liquid. This cycle repeats until your living room feels like a cool oasis. Cool, right? That's the science of staying chill.